Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket rewrap. Now you obviously need to know how to do a basket already, link in the description below, and that's about everything you need beforehand. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break it down. It starts off exactly like a normal basket. So we go semicircle back, we go wrap. This is where things start to change. When we twist the lady out, the left hand, guys, goes to the shoulder rather than the hip. So we got one hand low, the right hand, one hand high, the left hand. Doesn't matter which foot the guy goes back on for this one. From here, we're going to send the lady forwards. So we send the lady forwards, and we actually block the lady from going too far. We head over to the right, guys. We're bringing the lady back. She's going to meet that left arm. We're going to be lifting the right, and the roll of the left arm and the push of the right hand send the lady out into a return. We're going to get the left hand out of the way. We're going to get far enough away that we get a little bit of tension into the arm so that we can then take it down to the right and actually redirect the lady back towards us whilst continuing the rotation to get a rewrap, so wrapping back into the basket. Then it's just finish the basket off. Twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. So let's think numbers. We go back 1, wrap 2, twist out and go to the shoulder 3. We send the lady forwards into that block 4. We bring the lady back into the redirection 5. We get a rotation 6, the wrap 7, twist out 8, around the corner 1, turn and face 2, 3, return 4 and back 5. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a basket rewrap. We go a back, over, shoulder, forwards, backwards, turn, wrap, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. Just like that. Hope you find that useful, hope you find it interesting. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video, something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.